Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to play multiplayer in Block Crazy Robo Worldcraft. To do this, first open the game and then tap on play. And now tap on create new. Tap on create new world. Scroll down and tap on multiplayer. And make sure this option is allowed. And then tap on create. After that, go to your friend's phone. From your friend's phone, first open the game and then tap on play. Now tap on friends. And you will find your friends here. Just tap on it. And now you will see your friends here. Let's play together. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.